COVID-19 restrictions have eased across South Dakota, but that doesn't mean you should stop protecting yourself. Along with practicing social distancing, doctors say it's also important to wear a mask. KELOLAND's Sarah McDonald explains when and where masks should be used.
Walking around downtown Sioux Falls, you'll see people either wearing a mask or not. For Marla Kenny and her family, wearing a mask is important.
It's something our family has chose to stay healthy, hopefully, and not share it, spread it if we have it.
Dr. Dan Heineman is the Vice President Medical Officer with Sanford Health. He says it's important for people to take responsibility to protect each other against COVID-19.
Now we understand a lot more about this virus and the way it's spread, and the fact that the droplets that we expel when we cough, we breathe, we talk, we're in close proximity to each other, is really the way that we spread this illness. If we could get 80% of people to be masking out in public, we probably wouldn't need to have some stay-at-home orders.
Dr. Heineman says if you're in a place where you can't be 6 feet apart, you should wear a mask.
If I'm at a park, I'm by myself, I don't need to wear a mask. I go to a store, I should wear a mask. I go to something where there might be a lot of other people and I can't be separated by at least 6 feet, I should wear a mask. And wearing that mask shouldn't be seen as anything other than protecting the rest of us and taking responsibility.
I wear it always to the grocery store, always to like the Walmarts, the smaller stores, like if there wasn't anybody in there, then we didn't have them on. But normally I would put them on if there's a crowd especially.
That's why Heineman says you should consider wearing a mask.
There's a real need for us to get comfortable with that and protect the rest of us and take some responsibility to protect others from you and you from others.
In Sioux Falls, Sarah McDonald, KELOLAND News.
Heineman says you also don't need to wear a mask while you're at home or when you're with the people that you normally live with.